I wanted to share a few more of my solo meals for one, that I have for lunch or dinner. I just look in the fridge and see what I've got. And most of these are a variation of that. I may have cooked something, but then I'll add some kind of salad or vegetables or something that I have on hand. I rarely make a big meal where everything is, fresh that meal. I just, when you cook for one, you don't need to do that, I don't think. And it works. It works for me. So, here we go. I wanted to show you an easy lunch that I'm fixing for myself. I'm just going to place on this toasted bagel a piece of Munster cheese, some of these tomatoes, little grape tomatoes that I've cut up, and some avocado slices. Yummy. It's going to be very messy, but I don't care. It's going to be delicious. So, I'm going to eat this with some of I wanted to show you, after I finish a jar of pickles, I keep the pickle juice and I cut up a cucumber into it. And these have been in here a couple days, and they're not exactly like pickles, but they are delicious. You know how cucumbers have kind of a raw taste to them? This, just by placing them in the pickle juice for a few days, makes them so much better to me. So I'm going to have some of these. I'm also going to have some macaroni salad. I bought this on sale last week. It was 97 cents. So I'm going to have a bagel with cheese, tomato, avocado, some cucumber pickles, and some macaroni salad for my lunch. So this is another way that I just fix a quick lunch for myself, and it's very inexpensive and tasty. I wanted to show you one of my lunches that I just fixed for myself before I eat it. I'm having some Tuna Creations lemon pepper tuna. It's right here. Some olives, a pickle, some of the spicy cucumbers that I made a video about, some salad with romaine lettuce and marinated artichoke hearts. Yum, I love those things. And some orange bell pepper and a few crackers. Just having a few. I would normally eat more crackers, but I'm trying to watch my carbs. And the tuna has 17 grams of protein, which is a lot. I don't eat enough protein, so I am making an effort. But that's just a quick lunch that I put together, and this should do it. I may eat some strawberries, or I have some chocolate covered almonds. Sometimes I grab like 4 or 5 of those and eat them. But this will be my lunch for the most part. Some days you just don't feel like cooking. I did heat up this Marie Callender's lasagna with meat and sauce bowl, and I'm having it with a salad. I wanted to show you a quick lunch I'm going to have today. I have half of an avocado. I'm just going to mash it up. It's ripe, but not too ripe. It could be a little bit riper, but it's fine. It's being able to be mashed pretty easily. So I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil and vinegar and some salt and pepper to this. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so I have a little bit of red wine vinegar here. Just going to add a little bit there. A little bit of olive oil. Not very much. and some salt and pepper. And I'm just going to mix that together. Okay, that looks good. And I have toasted an English muffin. And I'm going to put 2 pieces of cheese on this. I have some aged Swiss. And I'm going to put on a slice of Munster. So I have aged Swiss and Munster, and I'm just going to scoop the avocado mixture onto the other half of the English muffin. It's kind of a lot, but this is going to be my lunch, so this should be very filling and plenty of food. Okay, yeah, that is a lot of avocado. And there we go. So this is going to be my lunch. An English muffin with cheese and avocado and some grapes. I wanted to show you a delicious pasta dish I made. I'll zoom in on it here. It's just shell pasta, and I made a sauce, which I will put the recipe up. It was very simple. I had some heavy whipping cream that I'd used for something else, and I wanted to not waste it. So I used that and some cheese and butter to make this sauce. No flour, no cornstarch, nothing to thicken it. And it is delicious. So I'll put the recipe up here. I didn't film me making it, but it's very simple. So I'm eager to see or hear from you what you end up eating as a single person, or if you have more than one person in your house. I'd love to get ideas, because I'm always looking for new ideas for myself, and other people, I'm sure, if they read the comments, would enjoy hearing what you have to say too. I don't think cooking has to be a big deal. I enjoy it when I cook for more than one person, for more than just me, but I don't always love doing it for just myself. And I generally do once or twice a week, and then I eat leftovers. But to make a big, elaborate meal, I have no interest in that for just myself. I don't need to. I'm not that particular. But it is delicious to eat a nice big meal once in a while that, you know, everything's homemade and has some yummy food in it. So let me know what you eat as a single person or as a family, or if there's 2 or 3 or 10 of you. Would love to know. And if you're new here, I'm Do It Myself Peg, and this is my YouTube channel, and you're watching it. So I appreciate that a lot. And I will see you next time.